All right, we're back at it again. We got this smothered chicken. This is the family edition. Still in Kansas with it. Two seasonings here. Slap your mama seasoning. Flavor God's everything seasoning. Seasoning on both sides. And if you ain't sneezing, then it ain't seasoned. Amen. You feel me? To a hot skillet, some oil. We had some olive oil here. I needed 2 skillets because they was little, and we was cooking for about 6, 7 people. And I had to get it done, you know what I'm saying? Them same seasons as some flour. That's my mama. And some cayenne pepper. Mix that in there. Once the chicken's done charring on one side, we're going to flip it over, let it cook on the other side, then set it to the side. Add some butter to that same skillet. Scrape up the bits. Some white onion. Mix that in there. That's my Aunt Brenda. How you doing? And then my mom was over there whipping up that succotash, you feel me? Add the flour after them onions cook down in that butter. It'll look like this. And then you want to add some chicken broth to that. I added some, since we in Kansas City, you know what I'm saying? Had to hit the gates. We had the barbecue sauce, had to use what we had. Threw that in there, whisk it till it looked like that. Then you want to add some whipped cream. Whipped cream. Heavy whipping cream, I'm sorry. Cover it, let it sit for a second. And then put that over your chicken. Then this goes into the broiler for about 5-10 minutes or so until it's brown on top. And then I went ahead and made this spinach arugula salad, olive oil, lemon juice, black pepper, slap your mama seasoning, everything seasoning. Throw that in there. You want to really get your hands in there and massage it real good and make sure every little piece of lettuce is covered. Once that was done, yeah, out the broiler. Yeah, look at that butter, that gravy. La la. This was over a bed of rice with the succotash next to it. If you don't know what succotash is, look it up. And then the salad on the side. This was delicious, crazy. The family loved it. Scraped the plate. Wasn't nothing left over, man. Love.